Hello. I want coffee, no sugar.
Oh, you mean I'd like a coffee with no sugar. That sounds great. One black coffee?
Yes, and I want sit here.
You can say, "Can I sit here?" And yes, please do.
Thank you. I learn English since 3 months.
That's awesome. But we say, "I've been learning English for 3 months."
Ah, I forgetted that.
Almost right. The past tense of forget is forgot. So you'd say, "I forgot that."
Your English is very big vocabulary.
Thank you. You can say, "You have a big vocabulary."
You teach me very goodly.
Aw, thank you. But we say, "You teach me very well." Well is the correct adverb here.
Sometimes my English going confuse.
I understand. Try saying, "Sometimes my English gets confusing," or "I get confused sometimes."
I hope soon I speak like you.
That's a great goal. You can say, "I hope I can speak like you someday." You're doing really well, Rena.
Thank you. You are very friendly and help me much.
That's sweet. You could say, "You are very friendly and helpful. I'm happy to help anytime."